Hello and welcome to this video. Keith Carpenter here, and right now I'm going to show you how to build an ebook funnel inside Market Chief, a place where you can send people to go opt in or give you their information in exchange for your free ebook, how to build the mechanism that sends the ebook to them, and much, much more. Now, in this short course, you're going to learn 5 main things. Number 1, you're going to learn how to create the form so you can gather their name and their email and their phone number. If you want to send them the ebook to their phone, you can do that as well. Make it optional. Number 2, you're going to learn how to create the funnel, the pages that they're going to go to inside Market Chief. Number 3, you're going to learn how to upload your PDF so that you can get a shareable link to be able to share that with people who want to go read your ebook. Number 4, you're going to learn how to create a trigger link. Now, a trigger link is how you track who is opened and who's visited the actual ebook and who hasn't. And finally, step 5, you're going to create the automation that's going to be able to trigger when they opt in for the ebook. It's going to trigger the follow-up series and the notifications and tags and other things inside of the Market Chief CRM. So let's go to the next video where I'm going to show you how to create the form to gather the information for the people that want to get access to your ebook. I'll see you over there. Now, in this first video, I'm going to show you how to create a form for your ebook funnel. This is the form where the person who wants to read your ebook is going to enter their name, their email, their phone number, so that you can send them a copy of the ebook for them to read. So let's go ahead and hop into my computer right now so I can show you how to create the form for your ebook funnel. Okay, so welcome into my computer. Now, let's go to Sites on the left-hand side. And we're going to click on Forms here at the top. This is a demo account. We just got a bunch of random stuff in here. You're going to come over here on the right-hand side, click this green button that says Create New Form. And then you're going to notice you have a blank form here. The first thing I like to do is name my form. So I'm going to come up here to the right-hand corner where it says Options. Click on it and then give it a name. Let's call this Free Weight Loss Ebook. Okay. In case you're doing more than one ebook, you can name it exactly what type of ebook it is. And that's good. The next thing we're going to do is click Fields right here at the top. And you're going to notice we have standard fields and custom fields. Okay. For a standard ebook opt-in, standard fields are fine. Custom fields can be added, which makes your database completely customizable. For now, let's focus on standard. We're going to go ahead and pull out the full name. So we're going to drag it out onto the canvas. We're going to pull out the email. Now, some of you may want to get their phone number. You can drag the phone number out if you want. You might say, well, I don't really want to ask for their phone number because they're downloading my ebook. But you might want to drag it out and say something in here in the placeholder about mobile phone to send. And then you could always, put optional here at the end if you don't want to require them to give you that. And then you now can see it says mobile phone to send ebook link optional. Okay. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is get rid of these titles here above my form fields. So I'm going to click on Styles over here at the top. Then I'm going to click where it says Show Label. I'm going to uncheck that. And you can see my labels go ahead and disappear. Okay. There are other things that you can do depending on where you're putting this. You can stylize the form. You can make the background completely transparent. You can make colors and borders. You can get rid of the border. There's, other stuff. You can also add custom CSS if you know how to do that stuff. Okay. Now, before we finish this, we have to put a button here so people can go ahead and submit our form. So let's go back over here to Fields. Let's scroll down all the way to the bottom and you'll see there's a button feature here. So let's grab that out. Now, if we click on this button, we get some options over here on the right. Number 1, I like to center my button. Number 2, I like to make it full width. And then thirdly, we're going to go ahead and write on here, get your free ebook now. Okay. So you can write, whatever you want to write in there as your call to action. You can change the color of the button here very easily. So if you wanted to use a red button, you could do that. Whatever color you want to use, you can change it. Okay. So there we go. We're all set. We're going to click outside of the area into this open space here, which gives us now this ability to save the form here at the bottom. And that's it. Now, because we're using this form in one of our funnels inside of Market Chief, we don't need to integrate the form somewhere else. If you did want to go ahead and put this form on another website, you can click Integrate Form, grab this iframe embed code and just paste it onto whichever website you want it to go on. Okay. So that's it for creating your form for your ebook funnel. Now we're going to go on to the next video. We're actually going to build out your ebook funnel. So I'll see you over in the next video.